Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is April 6, 2022.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you. Please have a seat.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be sunny with a high of 78 and a low of 50 degrees.
Today in history, in 648 BC, the earliest solar eclipse is recorded by the ancient Greeks.
In the headlines, students write adorable letters pretending to be shelter animals to boost adoptions. Hoping to get dogs adopted from shelter, kids wrote convincing words as if there were a pet talking to open the hearts of families looking for a new pet. Their goal was to empty the kennel crates of a local shelter, and it worked.
The kids' handwritten notes resulted in skyrocketing adoption rates for the dogs least likely to get adopted in Richland, Virginia.
No human could resist a plea like, "If you do adopt me, I hope I will brighten up your Sundays like the sun, and you'll be my Sunday special. And I hope I'll be yours."
Keep giving those dogs a voice, kids.
Today's fun fact is the Queen of England crown jewels contain the 2 biggest cut diamonds on Earth.
Wow. Today's lunch options are grilled cheese or chicken nuggets.
Yum.
Now for the joke of the day. Hey Bailey, did you hear about the famous pickle?
No.
He was a big deal. That's all for today. Let's say our motto together. Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence. I'm Asher.
And I'm Bailey.
That's Larry, and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 bum.